Happy Thursday. Good morning, Philippines, and good evening, Toronto. I woke up at 1:30 in the morning just to finish this to put it back where it was before. So the only thing that I add on is the tablecloth. So everything is washed and clean. It's look like new again. So guys, look. Everything is possible. I'm just showing you all my daughter collection. So this is it, guys. This is what I told you. She went to Candelaria Central School, Candelaria West District, and she is a member of the Bundok Banao Lyre Band. So this is it, guys. I'm just done. I woke up at 1:30 and now it's 20 to 4 in the morning, and I'm getting ready because my Auntie Betty is very kind to me, and she arranged me with her friend to attend a healing mass at Father Pio at Batangas City Church this morning. We will meet up at 7 a.m. because the mass will start at 9 a.m. So guys, at least I finished my task. I put back everything where it was. So I'm showing you my again and again my collection, money collection. So everything now is here. I feel like I'm a baby. I'm fulfilling my daughter dreams. You know, guys, I'm just sharing with you. When my daughter is alive, but she already taking dialysis. You know, guys, what she told me? Mom, I will get married at 26 years old. I said, okay. Then when she found out that I'm moving to Canada, she told me, find me a boyfriend, a Canadian boyfriend, because I want to get married at 26. How's that, guys? My daughter has already planned when she's getting married, and then she wants a Canadian guy as her boyfriend when she knows that I'm moving to Canada. But unluckily, she didn't fulfill that dream with her. So it's her destiny. I just accept the fact that she is no longer with us, but in my heart, she will forever. In my heart, never. She gone too soon, but she's never forgotten. So this is her legacy that I want to keep forever, because this stuff make me happy. If I see her stuff intact whenever I come home. So I already move on, but you know, there's no such thing as moving on and grieving, because losing someone is not easy one, especially your daughter that is very close to your heart. So guys, I'm just sharing with you the outcome after I clean up everything. It's just the glass. My cleaning lady needed to clean it because there's, even she cleaned it, but I saw that there is still mark on it. So I have to teach her how to dust or to clean the glass, but not without mark after cleaning. So I'm a little bit bossy when it comes to cleaning because I know how to clean. That's the way it is. So I'm willing to teach how I clean. Oh guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. My daughter's stuffed toys look like new after I wash it.